morning. Fantastic morning. Yes, Emerson said, "I would want some at 12." So I will be able to say, "Bridge about Kinsey." Some young and toss. There's a fatter salty. I don't know. Pay a chiniku for the basaro. Yana dosso. There's a fatter salty. Because you did try upon next week. But the Anna, the every quine at the bar. And of course, Franco Trading Enterprise. And yes, Yakonqua. There is someone there, bro. Franco, Papa, Franco Kenhona. Bibia Kuyisa, na Pabia, Franco Trading Enterprise. Marta Guinness is back. Yes, Marta Guinness also Muslikano. To say yes, we can go for the Dijumapa. Ya kwene meka mwasam at the Ache War. Better party will me producer. Kejuanka Seni Erica Sirubori. Basha Siena. Yet for the English Premiership over the weekend. Arsenal will be all Peli Gaji drop point against Aston Villa. Man City Ewini. Manchester United a trifanable. Liverpool Eddie Gumuniti Pa. Nanyasem Ketwa Kra. Chelsea. You better send it also be see akwane ande. Yanko England go here matches kakra. You bet to me acho. I tell her send table ne be see akwa at the end of the season because Chelsea and so bonne. But Arsenal and the opportunity so be close gap on so akotwa fan and bono. So 50 points Liverpool and Arsenal 44 points our table no so third and Northern Forest 44, Man City fourth with 38 points. And man kuye ina no ogusone na top 4 ni mo. I know yeah, Man City there. Now you go straight to Spain. Then you head you so Real Madrid. I just saw so Jana so Bugumupa and Kylian Mbappe night. And Rana Nyasam Ketwa Kylian. I can who ye pa and Barcelona and so Nanka Yakasa be fanfa. A taffy. Che Barcelona sena derby in Ebo Mama Basa and one team 50 pa. Yanko Spain. Ti Basa so na a coaching draw there and Atletico de Madrid so Eluzi against Leganes. A shocking result upon Real Madrid. LED with 46 points. Atletico second, 44. And a third, Barcelona with 39 points. We listen La Liga table no so is at Shannon. So Franco Trading Enterprise can win some of their bro. Okopiemu Italy and also very interesting. Italy is also at the par because the table now going into be a person not to be shared. And Napoli and Edge League in this season, and I say Procrasting, and I want some AC at Tiena, Michelle Mede, and also want some and so beba. But you say Inter Milan, almost to me Bogumudia, but to Bogumuno, Nestor also saying, and I saw AC Aqua, yeah. Near Petam Yako Italy, so I send Italy want some AC at Tiet. If you are not young share, and say Chelsea, it to me, I share Wolves, a Bebuano, not table, no so ya, or I say a club to me a year. Aha, Wolves, dear. So Chelsea words be share Wolves. Inter winning 3-1 and I feel so the big game then Crawford Mono and sweet to me about Fiorentina and so the Torino the only 1-1. Wow, how to say Torino to make Finimupa Fiorentina on any day. Yeah, now hard game, but another one to me and China Bobre Ewo and I feel so Napoli Atalanta TV Napoli were born to come here and San Manitimu Mino Juventus about AC Milan by 2-0. And so then bad games, bad game crying. Now you can imagine currents and for your Buffy ever heard the Ghana Football Association about to as the Black Stars Management Committee. They say as some kakra new names and happy. The Black Stars Management Committee the money on the screens this year. The new Black Stars Management Committee. Yes, Dr. Randy Abe and chairman. Vice chairman Stephen Appiah. Moses Abapaka a member. Richard in Century a member. And I feel so Samuel Abwadri a member. Greater Accra Regional Football Association chairman. We and 5 Black Star Management Committee members for Fraba. Tishan and Sofami. You train send a backroom staff for us to back away because you PK info. Say I'm a person some backroom staff for us. You better send a BC Akobado to the they can account chairman Utana dear bebo World Cup qualifies now. I guess it be tremendous. And I'm miraculous. Easy. Well, young Queen name go and someone so see here by Marta Guinness. I'm my sponsors and a poem boy me in summer at the Abre War now over the weekend. Now the Ghanaian Premier League. This is how you wrap it up the first round of the Ghanaian Premier League. On our screen, results to the in the country highlights kakra. Has to folk boy Kotokoso boy. Send a kuye. Young Goradia.
Racing team couldn't really clear his line. And it's back onto the field again. Kotoko, this could be dangerous. Back by Aya. This could be a long hit. Saka, this is it! Kotoko strikes first! Oh my goodness! It's the first hit! And guess who Hit Kotoko's first goal. It's the man, Kwame Poku.
Yes, you know, at times there are certain things that you anticipate, but it doesn't go your way, so you move from there.
There's a lovely strike and it's in. Oh my goodness, it's Sanya. Vicin hit back. And the hit back. Lord Amwa. And that's a big run, isn't it? Cancer cross is in. It's Sanya. And guess who is the poster boy? After several attempts, it's Peter Midu Aqua. Aqua. Asiedo. His brother cross is in. Oh! It's in. And guess who it is? The Leeds Maxman and the talisman, Kwame Poku with a brace. Saka, lovely idea, and this is reverting stuff. Let's see what the decision will be. Well, let's see what the decision from the officials will be. And it's Saka Dauda who stays down. And some deep trouble.
Yanshe the other results me course Koroko and Abagumuni par Yanshe results are can so Esikoya match day 17 of the Ghanaian Premier League and Koroko winning 4-1 summer testing as of the Obian to me and Shebi instructor man Bocarella by a goal to Neil Basake Holy Stars and Adriana 1-1 Accra Lions Gold Stars the bottom and Sabrikum Chelsea and Mediema by 2-1 out of Lions and fee that is a shocking result. League leaders to feed my nations were born a Kabakwa 1 to me and Young Apostles and it became United about 0-0 Legon Cities and Dreams at the end of 3-0. Witness and results no AC Ekoye at the end of match day 17. But Anna first round no dey Shedan Kahwe Iwia no bia be hune last. Yanko Countryman Songo Yanfa Songo stake into Asomao Franco Trading Enterprise and Afinso Malta Guinness. I'm going to one up here. Yako Songo stick and then anopai. Mr. Patrick Osajman, Countryman Songo. Fantastic morning. Yamwakawa. More official. I think Zafi, this is the first time I hear.
Yeah, I'm more official. And I'm feeling so fire New Year and come out BBI. Yeah.
Fantastic.
I finish and then I'm here to say, I feel yes, she idea. Let's say it was walk with the man. There will be more of a Songo stick. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. As usual, I go can see Anopa, Agudi. It is more fire now, so more fire and come out family. And then Uhoni Pavia, so far so good. Fire no agent so far, Midasi, more fire. And the song was taken, me hear Blasters, almost home for me management team. Share. Ghana money serious. Ghana money serious. Uma form management team. Management team no more for me. One. I hold the Yankasa. Is it the Blasters management team? No, and in the Yankasa and I said, Omo Bobon, a Tony Dia, and I hear Bobona, a woman Mujina Park and so any coaching. Technical team no, any year and I say management team now. Dr. Randy Abbey, the champ, a good defender, Parliament Select Committee. Now, no say, almost sacrifice the party as management member of Blasters, team member there. Who deserve this OBG pay and I say, who deserve this OBG scar and I see a member with scar. The same woman called World Cup management members. A G player, Sikati senior players, Blasters players, the more was appearance. That is the 100K, which is 13 billion old Ghana cedi. Or justify. See, this same person, the doctor Randy Abbey, the champ, he was there. And now, you call Cameroon. And the Blasters, a free motoring matches. We are match back. Dr. Randy Abbey, I will do team with and you know, I'm a pair one moment who say only need team anymore. Or no. I will do him anymore. Was a dear call him or can be near call a year after Cameroon? You call World Cup. You call World Cup, what happened? I also so 3 matches sao ka ho blasters mpanyinfo ena ife film e wo kata doctor on the be the champ esa ka ho ena ye kopie mu Cote d'Ivoire ena ye dey ye self film 3 matches now even take this tama ye ko Cameroon ye CK akono e ye matra makwe the former blasters captain former Kotoko has the folk coach CK akono ye see or ye matra makwe onya de odimi fe enkono it was Dr. Randy Abbey and a single match Brian said masa wo mo bobo coach is no ye coach is ye coach, not play world class coach. I'm a blaster. You people are thinking about management committee of blaster, committee of blaster. You people, what is wrong with you people? Are you all sick? Bibi Hamona. And then just a management committee of blasters. No one bet my blasters. No bet my blasters here. Hey, one, offer world class coach. 2, world class coach now build team now fair players based on merit.
Yeah.
Then 3. Management committee or whatever football people now mo peso o muti blasters akino Ghana for nyina and I'm wanting some more money paying for one bit my adwuma no.
Okay.
Then we sit down to get these people, correct people. I am not saying say o mu nipa o bit my management committee.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But, I mean, woman as a fatana. Is it because they didn't appear a former captain of blasters? Is it because of that? Or saying and saying captain, no, captainship, and I say captaincy, blasters and going on the time. That is the reason why they are not called blasters.
Wow. Okay.
Moses Parker have been there. Okay.
Yeah.
Cap. Moses Parker on his Mutai in Tokwa. You people, you are sick.
Wow.
Ghana, you are sick. And club was you can hear one. Near here, no more. Blasters coach no one coach here World Cup coach. Mobile money freedom no ya adwuma no. Mo hwe mo nya ho. Wo mo betina management committee. No ma atro o mu show this about. No ma me my instructions. No ma agigi yes because their management members wasting their energy and their time. Wo mo boni bi. Wo mo na mo gene.
Yeah.
Mo ya ne president nyina na makada ya hira. We are just sick.
And now we are the Assembly. And now we are the Assamasi. And now we are
the one who no prayer of it. And the Assembly, a yard. One, Opia, what Yemi, Asham, Pa, Fisa, Ebia Media, Bia, Yamamia, and the one Casa common sense, blasters are qualified for African Cup. And yet, 6 matches a boy in Niger, Angola, and a yet. Sudan, these same people were there. 1 or 2, Dr. Randy Abbey was there. Moses Parker, that's all football. Please, let's call the spade, not a big spoon.
Sure.
All this.
You can't afford to miss. Yes. You can't afford to miss fire this afternoon. This and now we a bayocha. Because Sunny Ashasian Opaya. Mr. Patrick Osajiman,
1 o'clock, I will fire for
sharp.
I mean, I normally pay and it's all nonsense.
Oh, sure.
Who coaching yet? Who can you want management committee on the hotel and the DRG and now get on? Who coaches us yet? Unkuta world class coach.
Right. Thank you, Patrick Osajiman. You better say, Menawi say, Opesa o Tua Fire, so Sunny Ekuya, fire on Adom TV. I'm Payeja, Mr. Patrick Osajiman there. This is how, and I share fire, and I say, and then this week, say, Anna, because Joe. Franco Trade Enterprise, and of course, Mota Guinness came on to pay near the Alkensi Abreu, Padibo Chemi, producer. Kejuan Kasani, Eric Casilu, because I have a